Okay, so uh, this is a code for PCA, fine, and how principal component analysis can extract a corrupted data inside the image. We will demonstrate over here. Okay, fine. So I think you all are familiar with MATLAB and know the basic tools like how it multiply, division, subtraction, how matrix multiplication, and all the loops and how they all works. Fine. So let me give you a brief idea. This is a this is current folder. It contains the robust PCA function which will be used in our script here. This robust PCA function will take x lambda 1.0 and 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 as an inputs and will give you the output ls. All these outputs will be appear in this here workspace, and all and command window you will see what you gave in your instruction you provided. Fine. And now this is quick add path. This add path will add all these files into your path. Now this is the your original image and the corrupted image. What we will did in this practical, let me compile this first. So what we do is this inventing is running 1130 corrupted entries. So what happens in this data set? We have two images. One is original images and another image which is inserted in original image. Another image is corrupted image, and those corrupted image has 1138 entries. Now this program is running for few iterations. These iterations will run until our error becomes minimized or error becomes 0000. So we know that our error is 00. It run for 26.9785 seconds, and these are our outputs. So this is our original image which was corrupted by some text. This is original image which is corrupted by text. This, let me maximize it. So the PC is little bit slow, so just you need to wait for a few moments. Okay, and then this PCA, what PCA did? PCA identified that in this image, what is the original image and what is the noise inside it, and that is removed, and that can be happen only when you extract the features. Yeah, this feature is belongs to this image or not. If it is belong to this image, that is recovered, and if it is not belong to image, it is removed. And during the process, this is a recovered low rank. Low rank basically means for the less number of data, the image will appear like this, and this is sparse image. Fine. So this is our result output. What happened here in this first phase? We took the original image, that is moon.tif, and the text image. This function, this area is basically used to generate the images which is stored by default inside the MATLAB. Now, next, we overlap these both images. And after the overlapping, we apply robust PCA. This robust PCA is the basically the function which is here, which takes x lambda mu pol and maximum iteration as an input and provides the output. All the details are here. I hope you all are familiar with MATLAB set of instruction, operators, commands, and all the mathematical tools inside it. Then this image is reconstructed using this command, where image is reconstructed R1, R2 plus 0.25 pitches and then reshaped and image noise. And finally, we plotted our recovered output in form of subplots over Let me again plot. Listen, we uh, compiled this selected script, then it appears in a command window. We are just waiting for the output. It will take few minutes, and then finally you got this output. So that's all from my side. This is your robust PCA and feature extraction of image using robust PCA. Thank you so much.